it's Katherine, and welcome back to my channel and my new kitchen. I've lived here for about 3 months, so it's not new to me, but new to you guys, so that's pretty exciting. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make Dad's oatmeal cookies. It's a copycat recipe, and I think it tastes exactly like them. And so does my boyfriend. They're his favorite kind. Tell me if you guys think they taste like the Dad's cookies or not. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to make these cookies, so let's get started. To start off, grab a medium-sized bowl to mix the dry ingredients together. Even though I make these cookies very often, today I should have read the recipe as usual and added the sugar to the butter. But in my head, the sugar counted as a dry ingredient. To the 2 cups of brown sugar, add 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups all-purpose flour, then add 1½ cups of coconut flakes. Next, I have my plate of teaspoons, including 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a secret ingredient to mimic the original taste of the oatmeal cookies, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Moving on to the wet ingredients, we will need our stand mixer and a little Simba, my helper kitty for the day. Into the stand mixer, add a 1/2 cup of lard, along with a 1/2 cup of butter, and here is where you would add the sugar and mix on a medium speed for a couple minutes. After a good bowl scraping, you will want to turn the mixer back on and add 2 room temperature eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once everything is mixed together, turn off the mixer and grab your bowl of dry ingredients, adding about 1/3 of the mixture to the wet ingredients, and put down the paddle and let the mixer do the work. Repeat this step about 2 more times. Make sure to scrape down the bowl in between each addition so the cookie dough is evenly mixed. Now grabbing your parchment-lined pan, you're going to take your bowl with cookie dough, placing it beside you. Take a chunk of cookie dough and roll into a ball in between your hands. Since I tend to make these cookies quite a bit larger than they come in the box, I can only fit about 6 cookies on one baking pan. Before placing our cookies in the oven, we need to press them down by hand and shape them back into a circle. Once your tray is full, put your pan in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let them cool and grab some milk and sit down and enjoy the deliciousness. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I will see you back here very soon for more videos. Bye!